started operations on the Northeast store back in 2016. Back then, we didn't have any funding. It was just a clear idea, determination, and the willingness to figure things out. Today, we've built something solid with a very good customer base, a strong team, and we are growing year over year.
We have been running Eurotech Private Limited for 6+ years. And last year we have crossed 18 lakhs plus in revenue. It has been a steady growth, not just in sales, but how we have expanded, reached new markets, and built a stronger customer base. Every year we have grown, and now we are ready to scale up even further.
Our vision has always been to go beyond just local reach. We've built the foundation, now it's about scaling up, expanding into the new market, improving capacity, and also strengthening our brand. We want to create more jobs, adopt better technology, and also build something from Meghalaya that stands out anywhere.
When you've built the basic, the next step is about scaling with the right exposure and backing. It's not just a competition, but it's a platform for businesses like ours to reach to a wider audience and also to connect with people who can help us grow and really unlock the next level.
The Megapreneur Startup Challenge is a statewide search to find the top 5 startups that will represent Meghalaya at the grand pitching segment of the Megapreneur Expo 2025. It's a unique challenge for startups to showcase what they've built, get real visibility, connect with investors, and take their business to the next level.
If you want to participate in this statewide search, here is what you will need. You need to be a resident of Meghalaya. You should be adult Indian citizen. Your business should be registered as a private limited company or about to register. Your business should have a turnover of at least 35 lakhs or have a strong growth potential. You should have a working product or service. You should have a year-on-year growth. You should be focused on job creation. You should have a solid team, innovation in your product or service or model, and your business should be ready to adapt or already using technology. Pure trading businesses or family extensions will not qualify. This is for original founder-led businesses and startups only.
From across Meghalaya, 25 startups will be shortlisted to pitch in the next round, and 5 will get a chance to represent the state at the Megapreneur Expo 2025.
We have built through struggle. Now let's build with support. Let's build Meghalaya.
Kol Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKM-TTA haka khat pratrik ngai luar arajar arkusan. Kelashim ya karai bansangi ashwa shipor gejingi ki, badekene karai lashim hadin gejingi kendo baka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills. Laban kedau hang ni banakaliang ka AKM-TTA haka khat ndro tarik ngai luar kelas sedang da gejingi ki bankang ya ki kali tourist na Assam bakin rung syaki jaka jengok kai ki badan hari Khasi. Bandang ni kejing khang kalami ipat ke jing persya ke bajur naki Association ha Assam ha ke bagi lakang ni kali Meghalaya bandrung cakajala Assam. Haba kerana kilat patai kubor ubak balajit jerwau General Secretary ke AKM-TTA ule tu bagi jing wani kenduk ya ke Deputy Commissioner kalong ban pensngo ke jing dawa jong ke Association. Ha ke ban kaliang ni bor peniat district le pentep ha ke arpulai trip nai luar kan sedon ke jingalang bat katenat korbari bat katenat jengok kai perthai ru kumjo bat rengkat bat katenat transport bat kumjo ru ane don lang nak office menteri rang bado menekaran halor kini kejing e tumta ki bor peniat district la batha ban pesangin aswai kini kejing ki uba jerwa ulong bak association kala penong kejing ki deklenti ke bajai-jai da ka baki lasam ki kot leng kedop bak kejing ki kam dei ban penmi e kejing bam song suk song san ha kejela da kejing ki kalong tang ban sam ki kot leng kedop ban pensa priang halor kejing dawa jong ka association uba jerwa ulong ru bahalor kejing ujor PIL kadai ke babha namarkan long kalat ban penpau perthai ya kejing te naduk mensua bat ka association ka kermen baka yang syariru kan sengap bagi jeng jong ginongnya kali turis naga jela. Uba jerwa ulu ong syusyu ba kabai kabajah asam hi kadai na kejung stuk bakla na kejung rak kubor ka bakla. Ba kadai na kene kadau bomi ka kendram ha asam nama na kalian ka association ka klem khang yaki kali asam banwan syaka jela.
Khot kerki jangka administration nak kalian jangka deputy commissioner office te mentah kasni ngilawan handing ngilawan bani kendu wat ladang ngidang dan ata ka jing ki mana mister te haka jingwan meeting mentah kasni ru ngilapun snow ya ketika ki demand sungi boper ngila snow but nak kalian jo administration ru kila ai kata ka assurance ba kinyarap hi ngi kindon dekat hi bangi te sakawai ru ba kila ong ba kin call off syai kanika indefinite strike jengi te nak kalian jengi ru ngila munjur ya kata ka indefinite strike amar ba hakasngi baar ka nak kalian jong ka home ministry jong ka state kan ka home ministry anta pat transport tourism department but ngakharai nak kalian jong CM office ru nginya shong meeting la sing baar te takadau nginya call off syai kani mentah kasni hadu sing baar te hadin jong katang sia pet mah kanu ka jingmi jong ka meeting ni te nak mentah kasni tingin long bengin ya nak kata kalinti bengin call off sya ya ka strike jengi hadu sing baar indala ada biakran bagi ministry di boper di balakot ini kani ka jengi ki jengi ka ka baja long banginum kunta mo bangi kam create kata ka law and order problem ni itu nak kalian jengi ru nila batai syai bala pindapet yakini ki RC license ru kalalong ba ngikam kata iki kaling ngikam kata iki passenger ngikam kata no kalong betang ka jing sami ki lingkrap ni ki pamphlet syaki ba bangin pensautu syaki pat ba brokhai te ngi akran halor kata hi te nakaliang jengki ru kilong ba ngi sautanat kata ka jing ki jengi ru bakalong non violent kanong non violent bat kamdan kanu ka jing klumar ne kanu nakaliang jengi bat kani brokhai ka baja ka de kaling ba ka baja sya asam no ka de tang na ka ba dan barak khubor bakla ya kata ka jing sam pamphlet jengi te lingba jek kata mo haka pertai social media ka manta lingba tang iway iklip ru ibaret kapoi message da kumwe ka jingmut ka de da kumwe henry ka message kipai ba pat kira da kumwe te tang na kata ka misunderstanding te kalami kata sipo asam te wat mangi pinapet mangi ru ngi kham kali asam banwan sini wat iki private ru henry nakaliang jengki stage room kla le punta yangi te nakaliang jengi tingi kamdan kum kata na du ningkong ngi ang one support tang ba sange no hapo ki spot si kum bangi lapan ya ka demand sapo kasarka na du muswa tingi ngi le ya kata hi ngi kampan pai kali ba kinong pang ne ki private na ki passenger si ero ma ngila ngi syabe banwan wat mentaru da Philip pej haman kistan kidang ya hi ki kali asam ki badan sini kidang ya hi ma te kani baru khoi kadai tang misunderstanding jongno barak khubor babakla kasapoi syadu kani lamar balai kani kamdai ka jingi ki apreng jongi ba jong asam kani kadai ka jingi ki jongi bat ka sarkar Meghalaya
Tipin maidan ka jingi ka kadai bagi balasa asam gitu pada
ya kani ka administration hi kalau ong bakar administration hi kan ya karan bagi counterpart lamar balai kani kalau adika state versus state issue kamdai issue kita ki association nei amar ba kat kum ka jing demand jongi ka hap lang baka state te kalau long state versus state hangnya so kani ka menta mo kila don sekini ki bawa ai jong ka PIL te kani kumbay akran menta meneh hang teru bakal long in favor of ours amar baling ba kani ki ka ka khampat pau pa ba na du musyama kita ki agreement ne ki bro khoi du te kala kan sapau menta bat ngathrai ka court ka sheri ru ka high court ru kan ngap lang ki jing jongi te ngi ru nakata ka daw hi ngi ong ba bagi nakaliang jo administration ru kila ong ba la si baar kan don ta ka meeting hapdeng jong ka tourism transport but home department but UCM ru tin la mar balai na du muswa ngi syong bet tang baka tourism department bat ki ni ki department bayas no bayat tengku lang te let's say hakani ka sini baar kan sami kanu ka solution na menta kata ka kini ki demand syong pro
jadi kecing